Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. You're watching Indian Cooking with Skanti. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious recipe. It's a fusion of Indian, Chinese and Thai. Chicken fried rice. Let's start the cooking. First I'm going to marinate the chicken. I cut them into cubes like this. Some soy sauce. About 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix them well. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch actually softens the meat. So mix this. About 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. That's it. And fish sauce is very salty. Don't add too much. And then a little bit of sesame oil. Chinese cooking, they add always a little bit of sesame oil to marinate. In Thai and Chinese cuisine, they always add some sesame oil and fish sauce. If you don't like the fishy smell, you can skip the fish sauce. Mix everything nicely and let it marinate while you fry the vegetables and the egg. I have chopped cabbage and mixed vegetables. While the oil is heating up, I'm going to mash some garlic. I'm going to add about 3 Thai chilies. Okay, so this is done. So let's go back to the pan. The vegetables. Add a little bit of soy sauce. Add the chopped cabbage now. Okay, that's enough. I don't want to overcook this. I took the vegetable out. I don't want to overcook it. And I'm going to put this aside and start frying the egg. I have about 5 eggs here and I'm using about 3 cups of cooked rice. Just some salt and nicely beat it up. Okay, that's enough. That's it. The egg cooks very fast. I'm going to turn the stove off. I actually try to avoid non-stick pans, and if ever I use non-stick pan, I make sure I use a wooden spoon, not a metal spoon. So next I'm going to fry the chicken. I'm going to add to this chicken about half a teaspoon of chili powder. This is the Indian way. And mix it. Cook it at real high heat. Okay, this is done. As soon as the chicken is done, transfer it onto a dish. Mashed garlic. This is 1 whole garlic. And 3 or 4 Thai chilies, according to your taste. If you want to skip the Thai chilies, you can do so. Cook the garlic in real low heat. If the garlic is burnt, it will completely change the flavor of your dish. Then add onion. sliced onion. Onions are fried. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. So this fried rice is a fusion of Indian, Thai and Chinese fried rice. I'm going to add some chili powder, but 1 teaspoon chili powder. Next, add the cooked rice and gently mix it all together. Some soy sauce. When I cooked the rice, I cooked it with some salt. So again, watch out when you add soy sauce. You don't want the rice to be too salty. Basil leaves are an essential ingredient in the Thai dishes. I have about 3-4 different kinds of basil plants in my backyard, and I wanted to pluck it for today's cooking show, and I forgot to cut some leaves last night, and it started to rain and it's all wet outside, so we're going to cook it without the basil leaves. But when you cook, please add some basil leaves. Add about 10 basil leaves now. Fish sauce, just 1 teaspoon. And sesame oil. Chinese rice has a nice flavor with sesame oil. So a little bit of sesame oil for the flavor. So add the vegetable and the chicken. You can skip the chicken or replace it with shrimp, or skip all the non-vegetarian ingredients we added in the dish and make it a vegan or vegetarian dish. And then the egg. I wish you could smell this. All the ingredients combined, it gives out a beautiful smell of the fried rice. Fried rice is almost ready. You just have to mix them all together and that's it. Okay, fried rice is ready. This is the chicken fried rice. I hope you enjoy the show. I will be back soon with another interesting and delicious recipe. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.